Welcome back to our channel. Question 39 is about relationship between volume and temperature. Remember, ideal gas equation PV over T is a constant, okay? So if pressure is also a constant, so V over T is a constant. So the VT graph should be a straight line passed through the origin, okay? But remember, Kelvin scale is used at 0K, okay? So it is a straight line, but now we are using so these two are wrong, right? Wrong. Lower two is using a degree Celsius. So what do you mean by using degree Celsius? It means they move the volume axis to here, right? In degree Celsius, okay, 270K is 0, right? Yes, if you use temperature degree Celsius as the unit, and then the graph will be like this, okay? This one has a positive y-intercept, still a straight line. So what is the answer? Yes, you got it. The answer is D. You guys are amazing. See you for the next question. 40, the last one, okay? See you.